This is so good. After trying out almost 100 cupcake recipes, this one is my favorite winter cupcake. What's up baker fam? I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation School और आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ decadent s'mores cupcake. This is not your ordinary recipe. It has buttery biscuit base, a rich chocolate cupcake batter, dark chocolate ganache filling, marshmallow fluff, and the iconic Hershey's chocolate. So if you're someone new to our channel, make sure that you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button to stay updated. Now let's begin the recipe. सबसे पहले हम कपकेक का बेस बनाएंगे जो कि एक बहुत ही बटरी बिस्किट बेस है। यहाँ पर मैंने पहले से ही डाइजेस्टिव बिस्किट को ब्लेंड कर लिया है। अब हम इसमें मेल्टेड बटर मिक्स करेंगे। So हमारा mixture ready है. Now we'll pour them into the cupcake liners and smooth out the top. Now we'll bake it for 7 to 8 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius. So our biscuits are out of the oven. Now we'll keep it aside.
Another one.
So our biscuits are out of the oven and has completely cooled down. अब हम अपना rich chocolate batter prepare कर लेंगे. Now in this bowl, we'll sieve all the dry ingredients starting from all-purpose flour. Followed by natural cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Now in this same bowl, we'll add milk, oil, and water. Then we'll mix to get a smooth batter. So our batter is ready. Now we'll transfer it to a piping bag. And we'll pour this batter into the cupcake liners and fill until 2/3 of the liners. Now we'll bake this again for 15 to 20 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius. So whenever you're frosting a cupcake, make sure कि वो अच्छे से ठंडे हो चुके हो, वरना आपकी सारी फ्रॉस्टिंग कपकेक की वार्मथ से मेल्ट हो सकती है. So हमारे कपकेक फ्रॉस्टिंग के लिए रेडी है. Now we'll make cavities in them with an apple corer and fill them with ganache.
Whoa, here I come. Oh, here I come.
So for the ganache recipe, you can check out my chocolate blueberry cake recipe, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी। Now we'll pipe this marshmallow fluff on top. So for the marshmallow fluff recipe, check out our fluffy marshmallow swirl brownies, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगा। Lastly, we'll blow towards the marshmallow fluff from the sides. So while blow torching, be careful and torch it in low flame. Lastly, we'll place Hershey's chocolate tablets on top. This is so good. And here you go guys, we're done with these delicious s'mores cupcakes. I hope you guys like this recipe as much as I do. And do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. Till then, keep baking.